If you're making changes to your Joomla site, but they're not showing up in the front end of your Joomla site, it's probably because of caching. Let's talk about that. Brought to you by MySites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to MySites.guru, get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 298 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn attention to the screen here. A couple quick words about caching. We're going to look at the core method for emptying the Joomla cache, but if you're having caching problems, it could also be your browser cache needs to be refreshed. If you're using Cloudflare, maybe caching is holding onto some files that needs to be emptied, that cache, or it might even be caching that your web host is doing. So there's a bunch of ways that caching can cause a problem, but caching is good because it helps our pages to be delivered fast. Basically, how does caching work? Someone calls for a page, it pulls information from the database, puts it all together, runs all the queries, and delivers the page. Now, if someone else calls for that same page right away, your site has to go through all that all over. But with caching, it sort of takes a picture of your page and everything put together. So every time someone calls for that page, instead of going through all that gathering of stuff from the database, it just shows you the picture of the page. But of course, when the picture gets out of date, that's when your fresh content is not showing up. And so in caching, there is a period of time that is set before cached files are deleted and new ones are made. That's basically how caching works. And so let's take a look at what we can do to delete the cache in our Joomla sites. All right, so here we are in a Joomla 5 site. It works the same way in 4. And what we can see here is from the home dashboard, we have a button we can click on cache. You can also get to it by going to System and then Clear Cache. And when we go there, we're going to see different cache files that exist. You probably recognize many of these names because they are extensions or modules or things that you're using on your site. And so you have some options. Typically, you're going to delete the whole cache and just clear things out because as the page is called, everything will be refreshed. But let's say that you were just working on one little area and updating things and you only wanted to clear, let's say, your custom modules here, mod custom. You could select that one cache file and you could go ahead and just use this delete button and delete it. Now, a bunch of things are going to disappear on here, and that is because things that have been grouped together and cache will be wiped out and all together so that they can all be rebuilt, because you might cache some modules, but that might affect how your page is being cached. And anyways, just trust it. Go with the system. And that's why typically you're just going to delete all. And of course, to do that, you would just, well, you don't even have to select everything. You could just go delete all up here. And you're just going to have to believe that everything is being handled. Now, this last button here, Clear Expired Cache, let's take a look at another site I have here. Because, I mentioned that the cached file can have an expiry date, but sometimes they don't get cleared out, and you can end up with a lot of junk in your database and files that are holding on to cached information. And so here, what you can do is click Clear Expired Cache, and it's going to clear out any cached files that are no longer current. So maybe you just want to clean up. So for instance, here at Com Content on this particular website, there are 1,317 files for cached pages. That's Com Content. If I want to clear the expired cache, but still hang on to the valid cache files, because this number is getting kind of high, I want to shrink my database down on a large site, I'm just going to click Clear Expired Cache. And you'll see Com Content goes from 1,317 to 1,850. Wow, that's gone up. How about that? It might be because I didn't refresh this page for very long from practicing this. Trust me, Clear Expired Cache will wipe out any files that are expired beyond the time that you have set in your Joomla site. But that's how you can manage emptying the cache in your Joomla site using these 3 buttons in the core of Joomla. Subscribe for more videos. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.